Hi there, today we're going to work on the bottoms of our feet. Super important not to ignore the bottoms of our feet because if our feet are restricted in any way on the bottoms, it can actually travel up the body and cause problems elsewhere. So what I'd like you to do is use a tennis ball, or I like to use a lacrosse ball because it's a little bit harder. And you can do this standing or seated, whatever's more comfortable for you. But we really want to focus on getting the ball into those spots in our feet that have some high tension. So you can place the ball down and you can just start rolling. And I like to do at least a minute per foot and really focus on the little sore spots that I have, especially along the great toe line. So you might find on your instep that you have some trigger spots there, and really pay attention to work those out, but don't ignore the rest of the foot. And what you can also do is you can practice flexion and extension of the toes. So we want our toes to be nice and happy. So we want to actually create that nice flexion and extension, but also we can create abduction and adduction of the toes. So try to get some toe spreading in there as well to really, really get your feet nice and ready for your training. So we always want to feel grounded when we're doing our training, and we never want to ignore our feet. So plantar rolling, it's a huge part of mobility for me, and it has helped me a lot in so many ways with my training. So give it a try. Thank you so much.